Coming to you from the innovative, immersive Hyundai Virtual Next Weather Sphere. This is Next Weather.
It is a chilly night down the shore. This is a live look along the boardwalk in Ocean City. Those winds still getting after it at this hour, making it feel a lot colder than it is. Chief Meteorologist Bill Kelly is in the Next Weather Hyundai Sphere. And Bill, this is you got to go with the buttons all the way to the top tonight. Put the scarf on.
I like that you're getting really technical on me. The wind's getting after it.
That is a technical term. That's right.
There's a getting after it watch coming, folks. Just let me know. I love it. All right, guys, exactly. They are going to get after it tonight. They're going to get after it tomorrow. The advisory is up until 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. If you drive a high-profile vehicle like that right there or an RV, hold both the hands on the wheel. Things are going to be rocking tonight. This, of course, Route 42 here in South Jersey. Tonight, we're going to say 33 for the actual low temperature. 32 out the door tomorrow morning in Wilmington, right at the freezing mark. Allentown at 30 degrees, 34 Dover. Same thing with Wildwood, but that does not tell the entire story. In fact, let me bring up the map. I want to show you what it's going to feel like when you walk out the door early tomorrow morning. Your feels like temperatures at 6, 7 o'clock. 23 Surf City, 24 here in Philadelphia. I-95 corridor in that 22 to 24 degree range. About the same, maybe a little colder for the Lehigh Valley. Allentown at 22, Mount Pocono knocking on the door of the single digits. I mean, here we are in March. Temperatures are feeling like the teeth of January. No doubt about that. All right, so let's move the story forward. The winds are going to be around tomorrow as we look at your gusts throughout the day, up into the 30 to 40 mile per hour range at times. Tomorrow night, they'll start to calm down. That's why the National Weather Service has that advisory up until 4 o'clock. After that, still breezy, but it won't be anywhere near as strong this time tomorrow night. And we do have some big changes ahead. For the weekend, not much going on here. It's mainly after the weekend, but look, so your day tomorrow, we start out, there's your 33, up to 52, feeling like the mid-50s with windy conditions. Saturday, 49, a little bit breezy. Sunday, we calm things down, we're at 54. All 3 days look dry, but Friday night and into Saturday, tomorrow night, this time tomorrow night, we may be tracking a few light showers. So your Futurecast starts you out at 6 o'clock. Here's what it looks like 24 hours from now. And I will probably have the radar on, tracking some rain showers. It's a minimal impact event. But the blue on the map here, that is the snow. We may get a couple of snow flurries overnight. So if you're heading out on your Friday night, you're somebody that likes to take advantage of a Friday evening, head out late, you stay out till midnight, 1 o'clock. Well, you may be seeing some snow flurries during that time. They should be long gone by the time we get to Saturday morning. And then, as you saw, the weekend is dry. 70-degree temperatures. Want to shift gears for just a moment. The average first occurrence for us is March 12th. Last year we did it on March 13th. Anywhere between that time, year before April 1st, then February 23rd, March 11th back in 2021. We've had one as early as January 6th. The latest first occurrence is April 29th. And why, Bill, do you bring up the 70-degree temperatures, you might ask? Great question, by the way. Here's why. Because in our extended forecast, check it out, advancing to Wednesday, we do have 70 degrees in our forecast. Now, we'll see. We're going to get close. It's not a single-day event in terms of the warmth. Once we get past the weekend, which we discussed already, here's the big change. We're going to go from 54 on Sunday. Winds of change from the south come up. 63 on Monday, 68 degrees on Tuesday. We have a shot of going 70 here. We're going to go right around 70 on Wednesday and keep it into these upper 60s on Thursday. So we had our first 60-degree temperature last Wednesday. We may get our first 70-degree temperature next Wednesday, and I think that's going to be welcomed by all. Let's look at your weather forecast. Send it back.